Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today this is an on the spur of the moment video. I was halfway to a job, realised I didn't have a jigsaw to cut some skirting boards and scribe some skirting boards and things like that. I really needed to get a jigsaw, and the one that I've got in the garage is broken, so I didn't have one in my van, so I decided to go and buy one. And as most of my videos I now got Erbauer tools in it, I thought I might as well get an Erbauer one. Really impressed with the build quality of them and the price of them as well. This one was £60, wasn't in any particular sale, I just needed it, so I bought it. I get a 10% discount on that, so it was £54 altogether. So it's about, they do a cheaper version of this for £50, which has less bits and pieces on it. So this is the Erbauer EJS750, 750 for 750 watts. It has the pendulum action and variable speed, dust extraction, has an LED light. You can also have a 45-degree miter cut on it as well. And there's all sorts of different things to do. You get 3 blades with it, 2 for wood, 1 for metal. So what we'll do is we'll take this onto the job now, and I'll do the unboxing video on site for you. So here we are, this is the Erbauer EJS750, as I've said before, 750 watts. The box has quite a lot of information on it. As you can see there, quick change, 3-meter cord. The symbols at the bottom telling you it's got pendulum action, variable speed, etc. It's packaged quite nicely in cardboard. There you can see it's got the accessories with it as well. The dust extraction, metal blade, 2 wood blades and a saw guide. So yeah, the information is all the way around the box. So you will see various symbols on it which basically repeat what's on the front of that box. And there again on the back with some nice pictures as well that show you exactly what's going on. It's got a guard on the front there with the quick release, the variable speed control, and obviously the button there that locks the trigger action in. And again there are the symbols telling you what you have included on the jigsaw. It's giving you an idea what it can cut. There, wood, aluminium, metal, that kind of material. Again, more pictures with the pendulum action control and the levers on the side which alter the angle of cutting. So I'm going to open the box now. I am doing this one-handed, so I'm holding the camera while I'm trying to open the box, because like I said, I'm on site at the moment. There you can see the skirting in the background ready to go on. So this is the case, quite strong plastic, hard. It's a very good quality case. It has reasonable quality clasps on the front with a nice strong handle as well, which has rubber grips. So you can see the clasp, plastic and metal. Works quite fine with these boxes. Once you get them locked down, it holds the lid down securely. So we'll get this open now. Get the lid flipped over, and there you'll see the jigsaw. There it is, the Erbauer EJS750. This is a 3-meter cord that comes with it, and also it has a 3-pin plug for standard UK plugs, 220 to 250 volts. I'll get it out of the case now. Got a nice good rubber grip. Feels good on the trigger action, so you'll be able to use this left or right-handed. There you see the variable speed control at the top. It goes from 1 to 6. So that's where they've put the blades on it in this occasion. So the red one there, as you can see, is for metal, and there are 2 there as well which will cut wood. So that's like a coarse cut, so you'll be able to use them straight out of the box. It's always good when you get blades and things like that with tools of this nature, saves buying them because they are quite expensive. This is the dust extraction nozzle, so that can be attached to a vacuum cleaner or workshop vac or a dust extractor. I believe that this fits in just above the foot plate. Again, I'm using one hand, so this is a bit difficult to show. So what I'll do is just give you an idea where it goes. Basically goes through there, should clip into place. Once it's in, it will hold into place, and you should be able to extract the dust then safely. You got some compartments for your blades there. They should hold the blades in securely. There's the comprehensive instructions, and obviously the guarantee is included inside. You have the saw guide there, which is clipped in to the lid, nice and secure. That should fit on the foot plate. I'll just unscrew the nuts that hold it in. These are thumb screws, and once they are unscrewed, it should just slide in into the slots provided on the foot plate. So just unscrew them for a minute. There's two, one either side. They are spring loaded as well, so it should just fit in. Just give it a bit of a jiggle, it will slide in. There you go, that's the saw guide. All you need to do, it also has measuring indicators on it as well, so you can obviously use it as a measure. Not always accurate on these things, so it might be worth using a tape measure. So next, going to show you how the blades fit in. It's a quick release system, so you can buy these blades anywhere. They are pretty universal. You just, with your thumb, move the clip over, and as you can see, me using one-handed is very difficult, so I'm going to attempt to show you this way around. There you go. If you move the clip over on the actual jigsaw, it should slot in. There you go, it's gone in now. So there you go. That will lock into place, and when you want to release it, all you do is release that clip at the top. That's also spring loaded. There you have the pendulum control, so it goes from 0 to 3, does that. 0 will just give you a straight cut, and then up to 3 will give you a nice pendulum action for sawing. There you see, I've just undone the lever at the side. This gives you 45 degrees left to right as well, so you need to slide the foot plate back, and then it will unlock, and then you slide it forward once you've found where you need to lock it in, and then you put the lever back down like I've just shown you there, and it will lock the foot plate in place. So there we go, that's the Erbauer EJS750 Jigsaw. It's a really good tool. I've been using it today, found it quite easy and handleable. When I say handleable, what I mean is it's been the grip and everything, and the weight of it's been really easy to use. It manoeuvred quite well around the corners that I needed to do. The foot plate is really sturdy as well. I used it 45 degrees, and the good thing is the 45 degrees goes both left and right as well. So that was quite a good feature that it's got, and it's got a nice little handle at the side so that you could just adjust it quite easily. And yeah, it's really good. The 3 meter cords always come in handy, because they never used to put really long cords on them, but having 3 meters electrical cable on it is really good. It's a good feature that they put on them, and of course it's fairly lightweight, so it was quite easily to handle. So there we go, that's the Erbauer EJS750. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll get some more videos done, and we'll catch you in another video soon. Thanks for watching.